In this video, I will share my experience visiting Tallinn, the capital of Estonia in the Baltics. My journey to Tallinn began in Riga, where I took the Lux Express bus. The ride lasted about 4.5 hours. My first impression of Tallinn? A modern city. For example, I could simply swipe my credit card on the public transport bus without worrying about tickets. Quick and hassle-free. I only had a day to explore, and hence I focused on the Old Town, a beautifully preserved medieval city center. To understand the city better, I joined a free walking tour. It offered great insights into Estonia's rich history.
So, Estonians have been living in this area where Tallinn currently is since about the 9th century. We had our little city in here, some wooden fortification.
I started my Old Town visit at the Estonian Maritime Museum. Since it was still early, the museum was closed. It highlights Estonia's deep maritime heritage. Nearby, St. Olaf's Church stood tall, a 14th century Baptist church with an incredible tower. This beautiful city also has a dark past. During the Soviet occupation, KGB prison cells were housed here. Many Estonians were imprisoned, interrogated, and subjected to torture. I then spent some time at the Tower Square, home to medieval castle towers. Tallinn's city wall was once a formidable defense system. Today, several well-preserved sections still stand. Next, I headed to Toompea hill. The route I had planned to take was closed for renovations, so I walked through the long leg gate tower instead. It turned out to be a nice route. The highlight of Toompea hill is the Alexander Nevsky cathedral, built during the Russian Empire's rule over Estonia. After Estonia gained independence in 1918, there were discussions about demolishing the cathedral due to its ties to the Russian rule. However, it was preserved. There are some interesting stories about it. Adjacent to the cathedral stands Toompea Castle, now home to the Estonian Parliament. The building is a mix of medieval, Baroque, and neoclassical styles.
Publica jõudnud meile agrubed.
For the best views of the old town, I visited the Patkuli and Kohtuotsa viewing platforms. These spots offer breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the sea. After soaking in the views, I descended Toompea hill via the short leg gate. Town Hall Square is a charming hub with medieval buildings, cozy restaurants, and the Gothic style town hall. The War of Independence Victory Column is a newer monument commemorating Estonia's War of Independence between 1918 to 1920. By the time I arrived, the cloudy skies had given way to rain. Another medieval gem in the old town is St. Catherine's Passage, with its stone arches, historic walls, and artisan workshops. Finally, I exited the old town through Viru Gate, flanked by its two iconic round stone towers. After Estonia regained independence following the collapse of the Soviet Union, Soviet-era statues were removed. Some of them are now placed in this place. It is called a Soviet statue graveyard. This place is located on the outskirts of Tallinn. The statues of communist leaders like Stalin and Lenin have found a place here. The sea view near the museum is a perfect place to sit and reflect. And that concludes my visit to Tallinn. Tallinn is a blend of medieval charm and modern spirit. A perfect combination. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you later.